Hello everyone, today we're going to be building this rippling cube field effect in TouchDesigner using MCP, Claude Code, and one prompt. My name is Jamie, and I'm an interactive digital artist and musician from Seoul, Korea. The 5 steps that you're going to be following are: first, downloading the MCP component. Second is dropping into TouchDesigner. Third, connecting Claude Code. Fourth, is pasting the prompt. And last is watching it build. So quick bit of background first. So what is an MCP? MCP stands for Model Context Protocol. It's basically a standard way for an AI to plug into other software. So if TouchDesigner has an MCP running inside, an AI like Claude can read your network, create operators and wire them up, set parameters, and also check errors. Okay, step 1, go to this GitHub repo. It's called Embody, made by Roscover. It's free and open source. Embody does 2 things. First, it saves your project as actual readable files instead of one big binary file. And second, there's an MCP server inside Embody called Envoy, which runs inside your TouchDesigner session so that the moment your project is open, Bridge is set up, and Claude gets about 45 tools to work with your session. There's no license or cloud account that you need to sign up for. It's just a component. Go to this GitHub repository and press here, releases, and you will be downloading this talks. Alright, step 2 is literally opening an empty TouchDesigner session, dropping in the Embody component. When you first drop it in, you're gonna get this notification, which you will press enable Envoy. And that's actually it. There's nothing additional that you have to do. You literally just drag and drop it into your session. Step 3 is opening up the Claude Code session, which I'll be doing it in this terminal. And there is one constraint that you have to follow, which is that you have to open the Claude Code session in the same directory as where the TouchDesigner session is saved. So first, let's cd into the directory, which this is the directory that I saved it in. Let's open up the Claude Code session. So I'll say recognize the empty TouchDesigner session open, which it's going to call Envoy, and it's going to confirm that the connection is open. Okay, step 4, we're going to paste the prompt in. Here in the notes, this is the prompt, and it's also in the description. It's free, just copy as it is, and it describes what we want: a 40 by 40 field of cubes moving with noise and monochrome, and it tells the agent to check its own work at every stage. I'm going to paste it in and hit enter. Now we're in step 5, basically watching the build happen. So we can see that the agent is done building. It organizes everything very nicely, and we can see the final result in the background. And also we can control different parameters. So we can control the roughness, control the contours, control the harmonics here, the cube starting to vibrate, and also we can add the periods. Yeah, so many different things, exponents, amplitude, many parameters that we can control, and all from one prompt in through the MCP and TouchDesigner session. So that concludes my tutorial for using MCP and TouchDesigner together. My next episode is going to involve making audio reactive material through TouchDesigner and MCP. Through the series, my goal is actually showing that when it comes to MCP and TouchDesigner, doing a one-shot prompt is not the only approach that you have, and it is more about how you use the tool rather than the MCP itself does everything for you, because that is certainly not the case, which I will display and demonstrate in the upcoming tutorials. I hope you guys are excited, and I'm excited to show what the capabilities of this tool is. Thank you for watching, guys.